to get down by jumping.
But not from this branch.
No, okay. Tell me about how tree climbing makes people's lives more spiritual.
If you hang around trees for long enough, you will become as stable as a tree. Rooted into the earth. Grounded.
So you're rooted to the soil, and yet you're reaching for the sky.
But
you're never superficial.
Stable base. Stable base. Flexible
Branch?
up top. Basically, a decent metaphor for emotional stability. We want to be rooted down low, and we want to be flexible up high.
I never thought of it that way. Alrighty. When did you start climbing trees? At what age?
Maybe it's when I stopped climbing trees.
When you stopped climbing?
Stopped climbing trees probably around the age of 11. Unfortunately.
Why?
That's what America does to kids.
Oh, that is true.
Because everybody's so concerned about safety here. You're not allowed to climb trees in school anymore. And adults are watching them all the time.
Yeah.
Make sure that you don't fall, break, or scratch anything so that they don't get sued or whatever, so that you don't have fun.
Well, I was lucky because I hung out in an apartment complex with a bunch of immigrants, and nobody cared if we were climbing trees. But I did fall, which is why I have a scar in my hand. You look like a monkey.
I always, whenever
That's a compliment, by the way.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
I remember this when I was like, I don't know, maybe 7 or 8 years old, and I always climbed trees. Still in Belarus. There was an apple tree. I wanted to shake down some apples, and there was a part of the branch that I couldn't. I had a hard time reaching to get to the next higher branch, and so once I got to that point, I just fell head down. But I don't know, luck or whatever, I ended up landing in a way that I didn't injure anything, even though I fell head down. I don't know. Nothing got damaged, or I didn't get hurt or anything. So I went right back up and I climbed the same tree in the same spot where I couldn't reach the next branch. I fell in the exact same way. And I didn't hurt anything either, again, second time. And I went and I climbed the same tree, same spot, again the third time. But the third time I didn't fall. Well, actually I don't remember if I fell 3 times and the 4th time I succeeded, or if I fell twice and the 3rd time I succeeded. Either I was just dumb, or I was determined. What's the lesson here? Keep trying until you succeed, or is it how many times you need to fail before you realize that it's
really
that you shouldn't be doing it? It's like, what lesson do you want to learn from it? I guess if I had injured myself, then the lesson would be like, you've been stupid, you should have stopped after the first time. But if you don't injure yourself, then it'd be like, oh, you gotta be determined.
Yeah. Huh. Should I keep recording?
Look at those birds.
See the birds in the tree. I'm recording you. Maybe you'll use it for your vlog. A day in nature. Boom. Insert.
Treeclimbing.com